All right, boys and girls, today we are going to learn about questions, okay? It's one of the 4 kinds of sentences. A question is a sentence that asks something, okay? When you are asking something and you're writing down that question, you have to end that sentence with a question mark, okay? A question mark looks like kind of like a backward C, a line, and a dot, right? Okay. And then a statement, what we kind of did yesterday, which was a sentence that just tells you something, ends with a period. Okay? So, two examples. I play tag. Am I asking you something or am I just telling you something? I'm just telling you, right? And so since I'm just telling you, it ends with a period. Will you play tag? Is that a question or a statement? Am I telling you something? Which one? Question. I'm asking you if you will play, right? Now, boys and girls, if you look here in the back of the room, they try to help you figure out if things can be questions. Question words. You see this big question mark right here? Who? Now, you'll see a lot of these words at the beginning of your sentence if it's a question. Who? Whose? What? Which? Why? When? Where? Does? May? How? Is? Can? Do? Did? Are? Will. All those words, if you see them at the beginning of the sentence, you might need to look at that sentence and say, oh, that's probably a question. Okay? So let's look. Read the sentences, circle each question, underline each statement. Okay? That is what we are going to do on this page. We are going to read all of these sentences, and we're going to decide, is this a question or a statement? If it's a question, you're going to circle it. If it's a statement, we're just going to underline it. Does that make sense? Okay. Before we start this, though, actually, I think I am going to see if we can play a game for review, and then we'll start this. Okay? So let me see. When I push the run button, it makes it a picture. Okay. So, here we go. I want to make sure we're still recording. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stop recording and we're gonna do some review, and then we'll do this page. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, we practiced on a lot of sentences. 12 of them. Okay. So now, let's see how you do. I'm going to do number 1, 2, 3 with you. I want you to do 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 by yourself. Okay, let's read number 1. Will Dad help you read the book? Do you have any question words in there? Or is it just a statement? Is there a question word, Hudson?
Yeah.
Will. So that means that since we have will, and it's a question word, we need to what? Circle the sentence. Do it very neatly, not too big. We don't want to get any other sentence. Make sure you guys are all doing it. And make sure you have your name on your paper. Number 2. Who are your but you're not answering the question. You're deciding, is it a question or is it a statement? It's a question, all right? What helps you know it's a question? What word, Elize? Who. So we should circle it. Number 3. I ate dinner at Lisa's house. Not a question? So what do we do if it's not a question? No, you underline it. You put just a line under it. That's it. Okay? I'm going to have you do the rest on your own. When you are done, raise your hand. If you have a question, raise your hand. Okay? Just ignore it. Sorry.